Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Innerscope Hearing Technologies channel. We are once again here with Matt. Matt, it's been a while. How are you doing? Are you ready to give people some updates?
Yeah, I mean we're cranking along right now. We are re-engaging and we're reopening up all of our corporate office. So we've been virtually working from home. Different parts of my team across the country have been working kind of virtually. We're bringing everything in house again. Starting this week and next week. So we're really gearing up and ready to come this time next week or the week after. We are going to be ready to rock and roll and start selling some devices.
Wonderful. So let's kick it off with the simplest thing that people want to know is how close are the financials to getting done, or do you have any updates you can give them at all?
Yeah, I mean the financials are really close. I mean we are down to the wire at this point. We've brought in a in-house senior accountant. Before we've been using we've used outsourcing all of the accounting functions. We've actually brought it in-house now, so that way I'm not waiting on other people. That's been the most frustrating part the past 45, 60 days is waiting on vendors, waiting on accounting staff. Now we brought it in-house. Now it's going to be a lot faster, a lot cleaner. It's going to allow me to be more transparent with the shareholders of what our financials are, what our financials in the past has been, and what our financials are going to be moving forward.
Wonderful. Yep. And so, yeah, you heard that, everybody. We'll get it to you as soon as possible. Just hang in there. We do have some other exciting updates for you. Let's start out with this partnership with GTX Corp.
Yeah, I mean, this has been kind of like interesting partnership that we've kind of created. Basically, they are slightly in the hearing field per se, but by using noise blocking devices for loud noises. But the idea is they really wanted to break into more of the hearing space, hearing assistive space. They have contracts with numerous vendors, numerous wholesalers around the world, over 34 international markets they're actually in. They do a lot of health and safety devices, PPE, COVID related stuff. I mean, they do a lot of great things. And what this partnership does, it allows us to gain access to all of their vendors and all of their wholesalers and retailers. So that way we can actually co-market our products together. So they're kind of essentially a little bit of a middleman thing, but it's all about connections. So now we're able to work with them, get their connections on board with us, and allow us to start selling our devices in international markets, many different markets all around the world. So it's a great partnership that we've really formed with GTXO.
Yeah, agreed. And I would say that Patrick, the CEO, is a great guy. And diving deeper into your updates, so let's talk about this app you guys made.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a work in the process. We've been working with our technology partners all around the world, creating this app, getting it updated, getting it to our specifications, and it's been a great rollout so far. It's only been out for I think 10 days now. Thousands of downloads have already happened. We have over 600 reviews on Google and App Store. Majority of them are 5-star. I think it's like 4.95 is our rating. I mean, it's just a great tool that we're going to be able to use, not to just help people in understanding hearing loss. Getting the free access to hearing tests and hearing screenings is very, very important to really grow the market as a whole. I mean, that's in North America, between Canada and the United States, it's 60 million people suffering from hearing loss, and less than 8 million are currently being treated. That's 52 million people in North America that are suffering from hearing loss. And primarily it's due to lack of accessibility. They don't know if they have a hearing loss. So that's what our app is meant to do, is getting out there, getting people tested in their hearing screen to find out if they have a hearing loss. And then that app also goes a little step further by, if they do have a hearing loss, it directs them to be buying one of our products from our e-commerce stores. We're also going to be connecting this with our future retailers that we're going to be launching here in the next few weeks. So we're going to have a multiple connections. So ultimately, a person can test their hearing. If they have a hearing loss, it's sad, but at least the app, they're going to be able to go through and purchase a device from us or from one of the retailers. And then that app allows the user to control their device, changing program, making fine-tune adjustments, as well as connecting with our hearing health professionals like audiologists or hearing health specialists. So that way they can make further adjustments, making fine-tune adjustments and making those final fittings. So that way a consumer can actually, hear better again.
True, true. And as you said, it's free, so you might as well try it. I mean, you're not losing anything by giving it a shot. It's really nice. It's really interesting. Matt, do you have any other updates you'd like to share with people?
No, I mean, we're cranking along. I mean, a great update is just got confirmation from our assembly line that we're going to be getting over 450 sets left and right. So sets of devices shipping out next week, early, mid next week. And so we should be getting those by the first week of, March 28th, 29th, whatever that is. And we're going to be ready to go, ready to start selling right away. We're working with our retail partners right now that we're going to have some huge updates here in the next couple of weeks with a big splash of our promotion within one of our retailers the middle of April. But we should be going live on their websites within the next few weeks. I know that it's been a long road, and I appreciate everyone's patience through this process. And I mean, I wish I could have done this a lot sooner. I mean, this is over a year in the making with this retailer. The other retailer, it's been since summer of 2019. I've been working with this retailer, and it's finally launching the first week of April, first or second week of April. Our kiosks are going to be installed, as well as our products in some pharmacies, etc. So I mean, we have all this kind of coming together, and I know it's tough to say, but patience is really key at this point, because I don't want to ruin any of my relationships with any of my vendors. That's going to be the worst thing for us. So really, we are ready to go with our devices, ready to start making some money and helping people, which is a twofer, I say. Helping people and making money, love it.
Yeah, it's a good combo. It's a good combo. And yeah, it's been something we've been waiting, and it's like just ready for it to happen any day now. And we're almost there. It's almost at the finish line. Just thank you for your patience, everybody. And if you have more questions, don't be afraid to send them across. We'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, Matt, any last words now? Anything else?
Nope, I think I've covered it all, and I'm hoping this time next week I'm going to be able to really dive into a little bit more more detail about the whole process, and really energize and really share some great information with the shareholders.
Wonderful. Yes. So yes, everybody, keep watching out for future videos. We'll get some more to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Matt, have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.